Deep in the heart of lush jungles, where rivers wind through dense foliage and marshlands, there is said to dwell a creature known as Aonglemla. This being, according to Naga folklore, is feared and shrouded in mystery. Aonglemla is described as a dwarf-like figure, with hair so long it trails along the ground. Despite its tiny stature, it possesses an unsettling presence. Legends speak of Aonglemla surviving on fruits, vegetables, and small creatures, like crabs and fish. What sets it apart, however, are its peculiar feet said to point backward, like those of no human or animal. Hunters and travelers deep in the jungles claim to hear its laughter echoing through the trees. Sometimes it giggles softly like a young girl, and other times it bellows with a ferocity that shakes the very mountains. Such sounds are said to bring misfortune and danger. Any encounter with such creatures is considered a bad omen. In the forest, strange, foamy substances are occasionally found clinging to shrubs and bushes. According to the Ayos, this foam is the saliva of Aonglemla, an eerie reminder of its presence in the wild. There are many interpretations of Aonglemla: a malevolent, a trickster, a water spirit, a jungle ghost, a shapeshifter, a primate. But it is certain that it is an entity that is connected with the forest. Across the world, similar tales are told of creatures with backward feet. In Brazilian folklore, the curupira protects the wilderness with illusions and tricks, while in the Dominican Republic, the tiguapa lurks in high mountains with her backward feet and dark blue skin. And in South and Central Asia, a supernatural creature with backward feet and long hair that covers its face called Pichalperis, also known as Churel. These stories echo the mystery and wonder of Aonglemla, adding to the tapestry of mythical creatures that inhabit our imagination.